A public beta test was sent off for the HEDERA HashGraph organization, a dispersed library with a proclaimed throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own HEDERA HashGraph digital money bar as well as a help for brilliant agreements and document stockpiling. Moreover, there are as of now north of 36 applications previously working on its premise. HEDERA HashGraph Survey HashGraph, the HBAR blockchain, is a more effective option to blockchain. It is likewise a conveyed vault, yet one that utilizes an alternate approach to composing blocks. Swirlds innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the Public Credit Association Affiliation, CUNA, and Mountain West Credit Association Affiliation, MCA, which framed a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirlds to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the undertaking into a different stage, HEDERA HashGraph stage. Swirlds allowed HEDERA HashGraph an elite permit, under which the organization will get 10% of HEDERA HashGraph's income. HEDERA HashGraph is a public foundation of Baird's protected hashgraph. From spring to August 2018, the venture was led by ECO, raising $124 million. SHA testing of the organization started in December 2018. The code was checked by a few review organizations, yet just now the designers have started public testing. HEDERA HashGraph at present offers 3 items, a cryptographic money, shrewd agreements, and a document administration. Any client can make a record on the organization, open a record or make dApps in light of HEDERA HashGraph, having breezed through the KIC assessment. The organization upholds up to 10,000 exchanges each second, and its exchange affirmation time is 3 to 5 seconds. Savvy agreements and record administrations are additionally accessible on the HEDERA HashGraph organization, yet up to this point their throughput depends on 10 exchanges each second, while the proclaimed paces will bit-by-bit increment, and the typical exchange expense will be $0.0001. As per the specialized examination performed by Exchanging Perspective, in view of the 3 most well-known specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators and turns, the ongoing rating for HEDERA HashGraph is purchase, demonstrating a reasonable bullish pattern. This shows that the ongoing cost of BAR isn't its pinnacle and HEDERA HashGraph gets an opportunity to ascend from here on out. As usual, we need to caution you that you ought to think about all crypto cost expectations while considering other factors. That incorporates our BAR cost forecast. The crypto market is essentially too unstable and the business excessively flighty for any substantial expectations to be made. All things considered, it is as yet conceivable to make a few evaluations regarding what each coin or token's true capacity could be. How low could they at any point go? How high? In spite of the fact that the sky is the limit, we don't feel that the HEDERA HashGraph cost gets an opportunity to reach $100 soon. Be that as it may, this cryptographic money actually has a few decent long-haul possibilities. Its past cost activity demonstrates that BAR coin is probably going to encounter some sluggish yet steady development over the course of the following couple of years, and may try and go up to as high as $3, in any event that the most hopeful HEDERA HashGraph estimate is to be accepted. HEDERA Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of HEDERA costs expected in 2022, the base expense of HEDERA will be $0.090. The most extreme level that the BAR cost can reach is 10 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.094. September 2022, HEDERA Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the BAR cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.082, while the most extreme could reach $0.089 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of HEDERA may be around $0.085. BAR value estimate for October 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of HEDERA in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal BAR rate they foresee may be around $0.089 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.086 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.094. November 2022, HEDERA value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the HBAR cost will be exchanged at $0.090 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the HEDERA worth to $0.098. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.087 in November 2022. HBAR value figure for December 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down HEDERA costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022. $0.094. The most minimal and top bar rates may be $0.090.10. HEDERA value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of HEDERA in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of HEDERA will be around 13 cents. The greatest expected HBAR cost might be around 16 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 13 cents in 2023. HEDERA value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of HEDERA, in 2024, HBAR is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 19 cents and 22 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 20 cents. HEDERA value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of HEDERA and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base HBAR cost could drop to 28 cents, while its most extreme can reach 33 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 29 cents. HEDERA value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of HEDERA by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least HBAR costs are normal in 2026, 48 cents and 39 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 40 cents. HEDERA value expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of HEDERA. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical HBAR cost will be around 62 cents. It could drop to at least 60 cents, yet it actually could reach 68 cents all through 2027. HEDERA value forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of HEDERA. It is assessed that HBAR will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 87 cents and $1.04 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 89 cents during the year. HEDERA value expectation 2029.